Welcome back to Saas Beast Pro. Today we are going to show you exactly how to save Google Colab as PDF, so you can easily keep your notebooks offline and share them with others. Step 1. Open Google Colab in your browser and load the notebook you want to save. This is important because you need the notebook ready before converting it to PDF. Step 2. Go to the File menu at the top left corner and click on Print, or you can simply press Ctrl+P on your keyboard. This opens the print settings, which allow you to change the output format. Step 3. In the print dialog, change the destination to Save as PDF. This ensures your notebook will be saved as a PDF file instead of being sent to a printer. Step 4. You may adjust the page layout, margins, or other settings according to your preference. This helps make the PDF look exactly how you want it, especially if your notebook has wide tables or images. Step 5. Click Save, choose the location on your computer where you want the PDF to be stored, and click Save again. Now your Google Colab notebook is successfully saved as a PDF and ready to use. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Saas Beast Pro for more helpful tips.